Hey everyone, welcome to the career guide. Today I'll show you how to easily find Plantera's bud and summon bosses. Alright, first we need to defeat all the mechanical bosses. Here's how they're crafted. You get these materials after beating the wall of flesh. This is what you do in the underworld. Throw the guide's voodoo doll into lava. There. Then build a farm in the jungle caves and wait. After beating all mechanical bosses and the wall of flesh, return here. Within an hour or so, a bud should spawn that you can break to summon Plantera. Right, connect the grass lines, as the bud only spawns on this specific grass. That's all for now. This has been Velder. Like and subscribe to the channel. Wishing you all the best, good luck and goodbye.